Scott Brown here, and in today's episode the weather seems to have changed. Alright, let's look at the tools that I got from Gaston. So he gave me this Guiacucho flush cutting knife. Very cool. I also bought some tools off him, you know, he's not just giving me a bunch of free tools. He's obviously trying to run a business, you know, and I'm happy to support that business if I can. Wanted a nice little Japanese square like this, and here it is. I think it's a chinois, isn't it? Now the other thing, this is almost pointless. Another little square. Same brand, I cannot read it. If you're Japanese, maybe you can. But look how small this thing is. Look at that. Like I said, it's kind of pointless. I don't know why I have it, but yeah. Okay, what else? This is the thing that I kind of wanted the most from Gaston. He's had them for years, and I've always been interested in them, but finally decided to give them a go. Comes with this ink here, and you get a nice clean line. No cloudy chalk marks all around the line, just a nice clean ink line. See, you put your ink in there, little sponges there that absorb the ink. So that's it locked, and then you twist it, and out it comes. Got a little wee retractable spike in there. You can stab that into timber without, you know, having to have a nail on there or something. Once you wind it up, there we go, ink line. Alright, I'm gonna put some ink in it, and we're gonna get ready for this inspection today. I think it's gonna take a bit of getting used to. When I put this window in a couple episodes ago, we packed the top of the jamb between the lintel and the jamb, and we weren't meant to, because you can screw it, but you're not allowed to put a hard packer in there. Now that's because the house needs to settle, so the weight of the roof will ultimately cause a deflection in the lintel, and then that lintel deflection will transfer to the window, and you might end up with a bowed window. I've got to give credit to the guy who told me that. He messaged me privately on Facebook. So thank you, Finn Beerling, for letting me know, because we have an inspection very soon and we might have failed it because of this.
Look out for your handle online.
Ah, we have a visitor. Huh? Hey Rob, how's it going?
Oh, g'day.
Welcome to this exciting episode. Rob has been a subscriber for a very long time, and he is one of the people that Frank made the router plates for. And this is it here.
Router plates.
Wrapped in a tissue.
Thank you, Frank, aka Carpenter 13. I finally have the router plate in my hands and very excited.
You're very excited?
Nice, yeah.
And you've got the router too, right? I've got the
same router. I've got the cordless.
And there's some screws in there as well.
Oh, sweet.
You can mount it.
These from you?
Yeah, just.
Oh, nice.
Boom.
Nice, man.
And here's the OG.
Oh, look at that.
If you want to check that out for yourself.
Yeah. Man, that is incredible, eh? It's really well made, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's done a great job.
It's way more well made than it looks on the small screen.
It's hard to see. But yeah, in person it's like, damn.
Frank, you should do some YouTubes.
yes, that's a good idea. I'd like to subscribe.
Put it on the big screen in the lounge and really see it.
Well, there's your router plate.
Yeah. All right, thanks.
bro, congratulations on 1,000 subscribers. Man.
Yeah, thanks, man.
When did that click over?
A few moments later.
Inspection passed. Silicon instead of the packers. Now that deflection can happen. Aside from the screws, you still need screws there because the window's so big, but I guess it'll pop the paint. That's the worst that could happen. Inspection passed. And now we're on a different job. We're in Mount Albert here in Auckland, and we're helping my builder mate Cameron with the roof.
Fun job.
Hi Cameron. So this roof here is iron. We're replacing that iron with new roofing. And I think it's going to rain at the end of the week, so we've got, what, 3 days?
3 days.
3 days to do it. We should have plenty of time. But one thing that's been holding us up is the scaffold around the side. It's not really a scaffold, it's edge protection they call it, so we can safely work up there, not fall off. The guy's putting it on, been delaying us a little bit, so once that's 100% we can get up there and put this new roofing on it. Alright, let's end this episode with an exciting van tour, shall we? You don't mind, do you?
Go hard.
Little battery area there. I like the magnet strip for all the blades, that's pretty cool. And the hand saws up there as well. The drain pipe drill holster. I really like these drawers too. Look at this. Come on. And this one here. Whoa, it comes out so much, eh?
1 meter.
1 meter, boom. And then your levels there as well, all labelled. And then of course, the holy grail, the Festool collection. All on drawers. Oh, there's more there as well. Little spare. Oh, bro, you got enough, got enough blades, bro? And crayons and pencils, holy shit. Very cool setup. And you can walk in it. Very cool setup, very cool setup.